What's up, guys? My name is Aaron, this is my wife Christine, and we're full-time RVers.
And today we are going to do a quick walkthrough tour on Airstream's most popular, versatile, and family-friendly travel trailer. Do you know which one it is?
Well, if you guessed the Flying Cloud, you're correct. Today we're in the 2021 28-foot rear bed twin model. And I think what makes this the most popular is probably because there's, I think, 14 floor plans for the 2021 year. And that includes like the bunk model, so you can get extra family members in here, not just for, a couple. So today we're gonna take a quick walkthrough of this trailer and see what we think about it. You ready?
Ready. So in the bedroom, this layout is the twin bed version, which is really great if you want a nice elongated floor plan. It feels really big and large and spacious from front to back. And the twin bed obviously gives each person more space to get in and out of bed for movability. You're not crawling on top of each other. That's really nice. And these have pillow top memory foam. So that's super soft and comfortable right out of the factory. And it feels really big and open back here, just like the rest of the trailer. These wraparound windows are amazing. Can you imagine having views right out here as you go to bed and wake up and seeing some sunrises and sunsets right from your bedroom? The curtains are nice and blackout curtains, easy to just pull shut. You don't have to mess around with any like ropes or anything. And then lots of storage back here. You have your little nightstand here that you can share with a drawer, big drawer. You have your upper cabinetry up here, which in this 2021 version, they have these flat faces instead of the curved faces. And I really like them. I think it helps just blend them in a little bit so they don't stick out. But there's a lot of space up there. And then underneath the beds, you get a lot of space underneath the beds too. You have these pull-out drawers. Each twin bed has 2 of these. So you get 4 of these storage bins. It's really nice to just pull these out so you can see whatever it is in here and you don't have to crouch over and like bend in there to see what you're getting. And if you're not into the twin beds, they make queen versions as well. This just happens to be the twin bed that we're in. Also on storage, there's his and hers cabinet up here, and this has some versatility for hanging wardrobe. You can move these shelves around. That's really nice just to configure it based on what it is that you're going to be carrying. Not all people need to hang clothes up, so that's great. And then there is a TV. There are speakers down here. There's a lot of lighting and vents up top, so comfortability throughout. And then a nice privacy curtain. And the sunlight is just blinding me right now and it feels great. So let's check out the bathroom next.
You have the shower on this side, the bathroom on this side, and then a full-length mirror and giant closet behind here. Let's take a look inside this shower. Nice kind of glass door here, and having a separate shower is great. We're full-time in an Interstate Sprinter van and we have a wet bath. So we don't have the experience in a dry bath, but it would be great to have. So good size shower. I am 6'1" and just barely fit in here. So anybody taller than 6'1", 6'2" is gonna have to duck like I do in our bath. On this side, another nice mirror. And if you can see inside here, this is a really nice dry bath. Nice Dometic porcelain toilet down there. Lots of great storage. And I'm kind of envious of all this space. Wow. Some nice built-in, some storage underneath the sink. Looks like a stainless steel. That's nice. And there's even storage up above. That's great. It seems like there's a lot more mirrors in here. Like they're everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4 giant mirrors. Oh, and there's even a duct inside this bathroom. That's pretty cool. So it's going to be heated or cooled with your air conditioning or heater. Nice. And then inside this big mirrored closet is absolutely huge in there. I'm not even sure what we would store in there, but what a great pantry / clothes hanging closet. Lots of room there. Looks like they have one more privacy curtain that goes across the track here to portion off the bathroom. So you could do both sides and kind of have a little bit of privacy, or you can just do the bedroom for both of them. So pretty cool. I like it. Let's move into the kitchen.
Okay, the kitchen, my favorite spot in the house. You have your Dometic refrigerator and freezer. To me, this is massive. And it's always nice to have like a full-size freezer as opposed to just a slab. So that's really nice. And then this looks like just a tiny little guy. I don't know what you would put up there, but every nook and cranny counts. So I'm sure you could find something to squirrel away. Into the main kitchen. Again, we have these nice flat top cabinets, which I really do like those. So we got plenty of upper space. They're a little bit of a soft close on those. That's really nice.
Ooh, that is really nice.
I wasn't expecting that.
Wow.
Okay, so we have a little Baraldi light and smoke dome. Right now we're not powered up, so I can't show you real lights.
Yeah, those are vented outside.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
So it just sucks your smoke right out.
Yep.
So you can minimize those popular smoke alarms that we like to set off when we cook. There's a spice rack right here. That's really nice. I would totally love to have a spice rack right here. So you're cooking and you're just grabbing. And currently in our setup, I have to reach into my uppers all the time to like get my spices down. And it would just be so nice to have it built in. So that's great. You get the nice aluminum backsplash, which is a lot easier to keep clean than some other textures that we've seen out there. And let's see. This is the Dometic roller shades. Is this the Ocean Air? This is the Ocean Air, so they're true blackout. And countertop is nice. It's slightly textured. Built-in cutting board. That's great. You know, anytime you can have something that's multifunctional, it's a huge win for any RVer. I think we all agree on that. The sink is pretty sweet. It's nice and wide. Could definitely fit a full-size skillet in here, big pots and pans, without wrestling around with it to wash it. And check out this nice residential faucet. That's something that you really don't appreciate until you don't have one, and then you realize like how nice they are to make you feel homey in your kitchen. So that's really nice. We have a triple burner stovetop. And it's nice and lush so that you can like stack groceries and stuff when you come in with your arms full. Contour, convection, so you can get some oven elements in here. And then storage. This one's not totally deep, a little bit, but this guy looks huge. Ooh, yeah. Lots of space in here. Drawers. Oh, not a soft close on those. I was expecting a soft close. But you have your removable utensil drawer. And then there's also a little nook up here. That's great. And little toe kicks down below. This is really big. You can get a lot. You can stack a lot of containers in there and get it nice and organized. And then flipping over to this side, while I'm down here, actually, you get another, holy crap, this goes all the way under to the back of the wall. This one goes about halfway through the seat. So this actually converts into a sleeping bed. And I would imagine if you used it, you might store bedding down there, but it's obviously up to you how you use your storage. This is your pretty standard dinette table in the Airstream. could comfortably sit 4 here. You could cram 6 here, in my opinion. And then more uppers. And you gotta love those windows right by the table and these sunlights. I think one of my favorite things about this trailer is the sunlights and all of the light that comes in.
Yeah, take a guess how many windows, skylights are in this trailer.
See, now I want to cheat and count. 15?
19.
19 windows. It's definitely a wow factor, and that's one of the reasons why we love these Airstream so much, is because it just makes you feel like it feels so good to have light and to have these nice color schemes and to have it have a nice design element to it. These are good. I like how they're nice and big right here. And then a TV. And then we'll kick around back to the sofa area.
So something you only get once you step up to the 28 foot in these flying clouds is kind of this sofa area on the end of the trailer. And it's nice. It kind of just gives you like a little bit of a living room type of feel.
Lounge.
Yeah.
It feels very loungy. Like, I think that in a regular day, I'd be hanging out right here a lot.
Really nice, especially with the little elbow too. And great storage back here. There's a cool little cubby in the back that I've never seen that gives you a little bit of storage space there. And then underneath the sofa is also more.
There's actually a
drawers and
lot of space down there.
Yeah, a ton of space.
And it's all about the space.
Yeah. So this trailer sleeps up to 6 people, which is a ton of people in a 28-foot trailer. And this color scheme is the new Seattle Mist color.
I love it.
Which is really nice. It's light. It's kind of the gray and the light cream wood, and
very breezy.
Yeah, absolutely. And the tanks are fairly large on this, 37 gallons fresh, 34 gray, and 34 black. So that's a quick walkthrough of this 28-foot Flying Cloud Airstream. We'll put a link down below to Airstream's website so that you can check out all the specs that we didn't go over today, just so you can get all of the facts if you're really interested in looking at this trailer.
And remember, this is only one of the 14 layouts. So if you don't like this layout, check out the other 13 layouts and you might find one that resonates with you a little bit better.
Yeah. So thanks so much, guys, for watching this little video today, and we'll see you on the next one.